In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove a part of image using Figma. First, open your design and make sure the image you want to edit is already placed on the Figma canvas. If it's visible on your page, you are set. This process works best when the image layer is selected and easy to find in your Layers panel. Next, locate the pen tool in the toolbar, grouped with the drawing tools. Click it to enable creating a custom vector shape that defines exactly what you want to remove. Think of this shape as your cutout guide. Now, draw a precise shape around the part of the image you want to remove by clicking to place anchor points. Each click adds a corner. If you need a straight segment, hold Shift to lock the angle. For smooth curves, click and drag to pull out handles and follow the contour. Take your time here. Precision along edges is what gives you a clean, professional-looking cut. When you've traced around the target area, connect your last anchor point back to the first one to close the path. You'll know it's closed when the cursor shows a small circle near the starting point. This creates a complete, closed shape that will act as the removal mask. With the shape selected, look to the right-hand design panel and ensure it has a visible fill. You don't need to change the color. It just needs to be filled so Figma can treat it as a solid area. Then, remove any stroke by clicking the minus icon in the stroke section. Eliminating the outline prevents unwanted edges after subtraction and keeps the result crisp. Now select both the image layer and the shape layer at the same time. You can shift-click them on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Whichever is easier for you. Order doesn't matter for this operation as long as both are selected. Head to the top toolbar and find the Boolean operations icons. Click Subtract. Instantly, the area covered by your shape is cut out from the image, turning that region into transparent pixels. You'll see the canvas or any layers beneath showing through, confirming the removal worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching.